everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. My name's Linda and today I am going to be picking the winner for February's giveaway. And just to refresh your memory, you're going to get this Stellina yarn, and I actually did put a charm to help you keep the strands together. It is white, blue and grey, and so you get that. Sorry about the crinkle, guys. You get a notebook, you get some magnetic bookmarks, you get a crochet hook which is 4mm, you get a little tub, storage tub with 10 stitch markers, you get a pen, and you also get a tube with 2 tapestry needles. So without further ado, I'm going to turn you around and let's go and pick the winner. Good luck, everybody. Okay, so as you can see, I've put the link to the February giveaway. As you can see it down there. So I've done that, I put that in, and now we're going to filter duplicate users, and the specific word was white, W-H-I, oops, can't spell now, I-T-E, and we're going to get YouTube comments. 246. Thank you so much, guys. So let's go down, and I wish each and every one of you good luck, and thank you so much for taking part. Delphine's handcrafted. Let me just go and check to see if she is actually subscribed to my channel. Let's see. Right, I'm going to turn you off here, guys, because I don't want to share with you who Delphine follows. So just bear with. I'll come back and show you whether she's actually subscribed to me or not. Okay, so there I am, guys. Yes, Delphine is definitely subscribe to me, so congratulations. Delphine says, I love that blue, white and grey yarn. That is great, that there is a good way to keep the strands together. Happy February. Well, congratulations, Delphine. There we go, that's her comment. Sorry guys, I had it round the wrong way. So there we are, guys. Congratulations, Delphine. Isn't that awesome, guys? So Delphine's handcrafted has won. So Delphine, I really need for you to email me at this address here, and I will get your parcel sent out to you as soon as I receive your address, your postal address. But I want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys for taking time to enter the giveaway. I wish, guys, I could give each and every one of you one a prize, but unfortunately I can't. But I do appreciate you taking the time to come and visit, leave a comment, follow the rules and whatever. So thank you, thank you, thank you. So until next time, don't forget, guys, the 1st of March is a Tuesday, and that means we have another giveaway. So take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until next time, bye for now.